Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series on knives. Pocket knives, hunting knives, just whatever kind of knife I happen to find and like. Here we have the Buck 284 Bantam BBW. Now I have no idea what the W stands for. I guess that's for Buck Bantam whatever. Bought this at I don't even remember where I bought it from. It was around $15 or $20 or so. Okay. Cryogenic heat-treated stainless steel 420HC. One-handed ambidextrous open lock-back design for safe use. And this knife right here is actually made in the USA in Idaho. There we go. Established 1902. Turn around the back, see what we have. Got the specs. The blade is 2 3/4 inches. Drop point 420HC steel. Whoops. The length 3 3/4 inches. Closed. Weight 1.5 ounces. Glassed reinforced textured style. There we go here. Different information down here if you need to stop. Check this out. Made in the USA of USA and imported parts. Got hunting right here. Let's go ahead and set this thing free. I'm going to open it with this Cub Scout blue handled made in China knife. So let's go ahead and just crack this open, set this thing free here. The Bantam 284 Buck. Well, there we go. Let's get this thing out of here. Slice this open right here a little bit more. There we go. Ooh, very lightweight. Very lightweight. I wish there was more texture on the handle though. A little bit of texture right here. For me personally, I could see the slipping while it's in my hand. Got the Buck USA stamped in the blade right here. There we go. Thumb stud on each side of the blade. Lock back. Look at this. Look how cheap that looks. But what do you expect? Got a little ridge right here. It doesn't come all the way flat like it should. Maybe you can see that little ridge sticking up a little bit right there. How's it open up? It says ambidextrous. That wasn't too bad. Let's break it in a little bit. Hear that snap right there? Folds very easy. So now that I've, oh yeah, much better, much better, much better. You hear that snap right there? Where's the snap point? There we go. Be a good little pocket carrier right here. Oh, it does not have a pocket clip. Just notice that. What a drawback that is. Huh. It's hard to believe in these days they wouldn't put a pocket clip on this. What would it cost, an extra 3-4 cents to do that? Got a lanyard hole right here. Let's try it left-handed. No, for me personally, God gave me my left hand and left arm for balance. Not much for anything else. Why in the world would you not put a pocket clip on this? Could easily put one on either side right here. Oh well, they didn't ask me. Other than that, it's being kind of small for my hand, so you can hold it like this and hopefully you won't cut yourself. So, got a piece of paper right here. I'm expecting it to cut pretty well. Let's see how that goes. Ooh, I like that. So I am going to get some kind of lanyard to put in here. But see here, that really looks cheap and it's not very smooth. But that's the only negative things I can say is no belt clip and kind of small for my hand, but I can't really say that's bad. Might fit somebody else's hand better. Good centering on the blade. Not a lot of grip to it, but I can see this being a good knife for somebody. Check it out. The Buck Bantam. There we go. 284. Not bad. Not my favorite buck, but sure isn't my worst favorite. Under 20 bucks. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.